Welcome to the United States of America, a global powerhouse, a cultural giant, and one of the most diverse nations on Earth. From coastlines to cornfields, Wall Street to Hollywood, let's dive into what makes the USA one of the most influential countries in the world. The USA is located in North America, bordered by Canada to the north, Mexico to the south, the Atlantic Ocean on the east, and the Pacific Ocean on the west. It also includes the state of Hawaii in the Pacific and Alaska, northwest of Canada. With mountains, deserts, forests, plains, and over 95,000 miles of coastline, the country spans almost every type of climate and terrain. The United States consists of 50 states and a federal district, Washington, D.C. Each state has its own government and laws, but all are united under a federal system. Some of the most populous states are California, Texas, Florida, and New York. States like Wyoming or Vermont have fewer people but just as much identity. The USA is a constitutional federal republic and a democracy. It has 3 branches of government: executive, legislative, judicial. 2 major political parties dominate, the Democratic and Republican parties. Every 4 years, Americans vote for a new president, a huge event both nationally and globally. USA was founded in 1776. After declaring independence from Britain, the USA began with 13 colonies and grew rapidly westward. Key historical events include the Civil War from 1861 to 1865, abolition of slavery, World War I and II involvement, the Civil Rights Movement, the space race, and global influence during the Cold War. The USA has the largest economy in the world by nominal GDP. It's a leader in technology, for example, Google, Apple, Microsoft, finance, for example, Wall Street, defense, entertainment, and agriculture. It's also home to the US dollar, the most widely used reserve currency on the planet. American culture is incredibly influential, from Hollywood films and pop music to fast food and video games. It's a melting pot of cultures thanks to centuries of immigration from Europe, Africa, Asia, and Latin America. The US is known for its love of freedom and individualism, national pride, innovation in arts, fashion, tech, and sports, passion for football, basketball, baseball, and more. Famous holidays include Independence Day, July 4th, Thanksgiving, Halloween, Memorial Day. With over 330 million people, the USA is the 3rd most populous country. It's one of the most ethnically and culturally diverse nations, with large populations of Latinos, African Americans, Asians, Native Americans, and immigrants from every corner of the globe. The US has sent people to the moon, invented the internet, and leads the world in AI, biotech, medicine, and space exploration. Institutions like NASA, MIT, and Silicon Valley push boundaries in every field imaginable. From natural wonders to megacities, the US is packed with must-see places. New York City, the city that never sleeps; Los Angeles, beaches, film stars, and creativity; Las Vegas, casinos, shows, and lights; San Francisco, the Golden Gate and tech capital; Grand Canyon, one of the world's greatest natural landmarks; Miami, New Orleans, Chicago, Seattle, Washington, D.C. Each with its own vibe, food, music, and history. And don't miss Yellowstone, Yosemite, or Alaska's wild frontier. Now some quick fun facts about USA. The US has 6 time zones. It has over 12,000 McDonald's. The national animal? The bald eagle. Over 70% of Americans live in urban areas. The USA has won more Olympic medals than any other country. The United States is big, bold, and full of contradictions. A place of innovation, influence, opportunity, and complexity. Whether you visit for the cities, the nature, the culture, or the history, one thing's for sure, you'll never run out of things to explore. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, like, share, and subscribe for more videos from around the world.